Switching gears here tonight, the pain of prices hits new levels. Inflation rose 7.9% in February over last year, pushing inflation to its highest levels in 40 years. And the pinch is hitting our small businesses perhaps the hardest. Sarah Shookman went to Coventry to find out.
In a restaurant, you always have to have your menu on an Etch-a-Sketch, so you lift it up or write it down again, because you can't keep up with it fast enough.
Tommy's in Cleveland Heights is an institution that survived 50 years. But with inflation now up nearly 8%, it can't be ignored.
It's very difficult to be able to keep up. Small businesses are run on percentages. And when you're working on percentages, man, your bottom line is affected very quickly.
The Consumer Price Index shows the price of gas, housing, and food are the biggest contributors to inflation's increase, now at the highest level since 1982. Tommy Fellow says on his books, labor is more expensive, along with nearly every ingredient. Proteins have spiked the steepest, and paper products, like the cost of carry-out containers, which have tripled in the last 8 months. Now he's been warned by suppliers of delivery surcharges to account for the price of diesel.
And that's just getting it in the door. Being able to find it, and supply and demand always dictates.
We raised our prices, and we actually printed out a paper that explained in detail like what is going on and why. So I think that our customers really appreciate that transparency.
Down the street, Phoenix Coffee Company says costs recently forced its hand. Manager Sean Miller says it's seen grace from loyal customers.
People have been really understanding.
Secondhand goods is our heart and soul.
Avalon Exchange is known to be affordable, but the staff here have noticed an uptick in people coming in not just to shop, but to sell their items.
Anybody's coming in and just selling their stuff, saying, hey, I'm just trying to get some food, or hey, I'm trying to get some gas money. Like, everything has gone up. The price of everything has gone up tremendously.
In Coventry, we heard a lot about community and the solidarity that these small businesses have seen from their customers. And in times like these, or perhaps those ahead, it is that local support that's going to keep the doors open and the jobs and those tax dollars in the neighborhood, Isabel.
Yeah, absolutely, Sarah. Continued support for those businesses.
Yes.
Thank you.